Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. I will explain from page number 22 of the story Entering the Door to Hell, Unit 1, Section 2. Before that, I will refer some sentences. The heat, if you are downwind of it's unbearable. There are thousands of liter flames all around the edges and towards the center. Then there are two large flames in the middle at the bottom, and that is probably where the drilling rig hole was for the natural gas extraction. Before rappelling into the burning pit, Cornish says he got his equipment in order. This included a custom-made climbing harness made out of Kevlar, a self-contained breathing apparatus similar to scuba gear, fire-resistant ropes, and otherworldly heat resistance suite. That is the end from previous lesson. Now start from today's explanation from page number 22. Then suites, S-U-I-T-S, suites, look like aluminium foil, and actually that makes sense because they are made from an aluminized fabric, Cornish says. Cornish says that the heat-proof suites absorb like thin sheet, less than 0.2 millimeter, which makes sense, and that truly they are made from an aluminized fabric. It is specially prepared from aluminium. Explanation 2. As per Cornish, the heat-proof suit gauge like aluminium foil, and really that makes sense, and are prepared from an aluminium coated fabric. Explanation 3. Cornish tells that this heat-proof suit gauge like aluminium thin foil, thickness less than 0.2 millimeter, and clearly the thin suit make sense as the suits are made from an aluminium coated fabric. Again from book. These suits are used by some firefighters as well as steel mill workers and the volcanologist, any occupation where you need to be close to the intense heat. Okay. Now, firefighter who suppresses fires to protect life, property, and the environment. And volcanologist means geologist who study the process involved in the formation and eruption. Eruption means outburst, activity of volcanoes. So now explanation 1. Cornish tells the reader that the suits are generally used by some firefighters, even the steel mill workers and volcanologists, and any profession where we need to be close to fierce heat. Explanation 2. Cornish says the reader the suits are normally used by some firefighters, even the steel mill worker and the volcanologist, any other vocational personnel where we need to be close to acute heat. Cornish, explanation 3. Cornish states the reader that these fireproof suits are mostly used by some firefighters as well as steel mill worker and volcanologist, and any trade where we need to be close extremely. Iron foundry shop, and inside the steel plant where the process is ongoing. From the mold, iron mold, the sheet is coming, and also the iron rod is generating in the production. There excessive heat is there, so it is required to wear this fireproof suit. Now from the book, they reflect a lot of radiant heat, but you still get pretty hot inside. I did feel a bit like a baked potato. Baked potato, I'll tell, then after I'll start explanation. Baked potato, you see the potato having red or brown skin, inside the white part. So the fireproof suit is referring the symbolic to red and brown skin of the potato, and the human body is compared with inner part of the potato. That's why Cornish was referring that I did feel a bit like a baked potato. Now explanation 1. The fireproof suit throw back a lot of glowing heat, but we still get more or less hot inside. So Cornish felt a bit like baked potato. Explanation 2. The fireproof suits give back a lot of reflecting the heat, but we still get more or less heat inside. Cornish realized a bit due to excessive heat, whatever the temperature is going inside the body, that is like a baked potato. Explanation 3. The fireproof suit return a lot of reflecting the heat, but we still get more or less hot inside. Cornish sensed a bit like a baked potato. Another. Now book, another very specialized piece of equipment that Cornish brought to Turkmenistan was a heat prop designed by the engineers who built National Geographic scatter camps. Cornish brought another very specially designed piece of apparatus of Turkmenistan was a heat analyzer, which was designed by the National Geographic interpreter. Explanation 2. The Cornish stated that he bought another special dedicated piece of appliance to Turkmenistan was a heat analysis tools who built National Geographic commentator. Explanation 3. Cornish expressed that he brought another particularized piece of hardware to Turkmenistan was a heat sensor designed by the engineers National Geographic Observer. That is the end of this explanation, the first recording.